Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I'm going to discuss. Today, I'm going to take an marks distribution class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, marks distribution, subject English. So, let's see about today's class. Class Junior 1, Subject English, Term Half-Yearly Examination, Topic Marks Distribution, Lecture number 36, Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's see what is the marks distribution of Class Junior 1. Marks distribution Class Junior 1 Subject English. Number 1, making words with letters. Remember 10 marks. Remember one thing. You do not need to pick up the words in the exam. In the exam, there will be words like this. There will be a box like this. So making words with letters, there will be two boxes. Box will be bigger in your paper, exam script, so that you can write very carefully. You will write only the answer like this. A for apple. A for ant. Okay, you will write the answer only in the script, in the box. Okay, you do not need to pick up the words. So this is number 1. Number 2, word meaning English to English. Word meaning English to English. In this one also, you will have given certain box like this. You will have given a box like this, and you will write the answer in the box. Suppose see, the word meaning English to English, see, you have to write the answer to observe in the box. Okay, observe in the box. Okay, next one. Number 3, word meaning English to Bangla, 5 marks. How you write the exam? So, in the exam, suppose the word will be given like this, moon, okay, and there is a box. You have to write the answer, Bangla meaning of moon, chat, like this, in the box. You have to write in the box, within the box, okay. Then number 4, fill in the blanks. Number 4 will be fill in the blanks. Sentence will be like this. I dash my mother. This is not your syllabus, but I am showing you just only. So fill the blanks will be like this. I dash my mother. In the dash, in the upper portion, you will write the answer. I love my mother. Okay. Pat and Anne ran to mother. You'll write the answer in the fill in the gaps. So next one, number 6. Number 6, 5, missing letter 10. How you write the missing letter? D-O-C-O-R. Suppose this is a missing letter. Dash will be given in the exam script. You will just write the D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. You'll write only the missing letter in the exam. Okay, this is missing letter. Sentence making. How you write the sentence making? Dance. Suppose this is a word will be given, and there will be given a box, big box, so that you can write the answer. So I can dance, you will write in the box, Mita can dance. Okay, you will write the sentence making like this one, rhyme. Number 7, writing rhymes. So how we will write the exam? So we have studied 2 rhymes in the exam, mommy and daddy, Okay, and teddy bear. So in the exam, when you are writing the rhyme, this type of paper will be given. Okay, you will write first the title of the topic. Okay, you'll write like this. First you will write mommy and daddy like this, and then you will write the answer. I'm not writing mommy and daddy, then this type of paper will be given. You'll write the answer in this portion. Okay, first you have to write the title, then start writing the poem. Next one, number 8, answer questions. Number 8 question will be given like this, answering questions. A, who touches the ground? Question will be given like this, and there will be given 2 dash like this. Okay, we have to write the answer here. Who touches the ground? You will write the answer like this. Teddy bear touches the ground. If you cannot finish the one line, come to the next line. Okay, next one, grammar. Next one, number 9, grammar. In the grammar portion also this type of box and gaps will be given. You will write only the answer. And paragraph, in paragraph also this type of paper will be given. First you will write the topic, my pet dog. Okay, and then write the answer. Okay, this type of paper will be given. First write the topic, my pet dog, then write the answer. And last one is very important, neat and cleanliness. Try to keep your copy neat and clean. If you cut the sentences again and again, erase and write, your copy will be ugly and you will not get these 2 marks. These 2 marks will be given, neat and cleanliness. Writing about the handwriting, how you write, how clearly you write the sentences. Okay, so neat and cleanliness, 2 marks. Try to keep neat and clean in a copy. Try to write neat and cleanly in a copy. So my dear students, that's all today's marks distribution directions. So take a good preparation for the examinations, my dear students. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.